Good afternoon, everyone. So, our today's topic is plant or factory location. See, when you decide about locating your plant, there are various things you need to pre-decide and pre-research. Then only you can do a SWOT analysis that locating your plant at that particular place is beneficial for your organization or not. It could help in cutting of cost or not. So plant location basically refers to the choice of region where man, machine, money, material can brought together to set up a business of your factory. So a plant is a place where the cost of the product is need to be kept very low in order to maximize gain. So as you see in the definition, plant location refers to the choice of region where man, material, money, machine, and equipments are brought together to set up a business of a factory. So while taking plant location decision, the organization need to consider various factors as I told you. These various factors are uh, called the factors which can affect the decision of location of plant. So these factors can be classified into two categories. First are the primary factors which you necessarily need to consider while making decisions regarding plant location. So these primary factors include availability of raw material. So you need to see that there is availability of raw material for your organization, because if there is no or little availability of raw material nearby your plant, so it could end up in rising the cost of production. So availability of raw material is one of the most important decision while taking decision of plant location. Second is nearness of market. So nearness of market, it is regarding your finished good. So not only see availability of resources which we have discussed earlier. So availability of resources also includes the transportation cost for procuring raw material, and it is also required to your for your finished good to seek nearby market. Otherwise your cost of transportation will definitely add up in the cost of production. So nearness of market is also a important factor while considering the plant location. Next prime factor which is affecting the decision of plant location is called availability of labor. So the major cost of production is consist of the cost of labor. See, in the production itself there are basically two factors of production is considered. First is capital and second is labor. So labor is one of the most important aspect of the cost of production. So it should also be seen that there need to be availability of labor. There not only this, you need to consider also that there is availability of cheap labors. So skilled labor, cheap labors, this should be a considerable factor which can considerably increase or decrease your total cost of production. Next is your transportation facility. So in order to bring raw material from and your supplier, or uh, in order to carry your finished good to the market, transport facility is required. So depending upon your size of finished good or the size of raw material, suitable transportation is necessary. So that there need to be roads available, there need to be transportation facilities available via road or via water or the rail or the air transport. So this should be considered while considering about the plant location. Next prime factor is availability of fuel and power. So fuel and power is also one of the most important contributor when it comes to the cost of production. So location should be choose wisely in terms of availability of fuel and power. Otherwise, it will amount to the increase in your cost of production. Next is availability of water. Depending upon the nature of production, nature of your production unit, if water is one of the major resource for your organization, so you need to see whether there is availability of water for your organization or not. For example, if your organization is a power plant, so you need to produce power from the water itself, so you need to consider availability of water for your organization. Then these are basically the primary factors. Then there are certain secondary factors also. Primary factors are the major factors which you have to consider while deciding the location of your plant. Secondary factors are those factors which can significantly reduce your cost of production, but you can give a second thought in that case if they are not in your favor, so you can give a second thought on that. So in secondary factor, first factor is suitability of climate. So certain kind of production unit needs certain kind of atmosphere, so suitability of climate should be a considerable factor. Just like pharma companies, so pharma companies, the manufacturing unit of pharma companies need a colder environment. So they generally use the region like Dehradun, Baddi. So most of the pharmaceutical manufacturing companies situated there. Next is government policy. So while selecting the location of plant, it is very important to know that local existing government policies are such that it can give any favor or benefit to your organization, or it can create any kind of hindrance in for your organization. Next is availability of finance. So finance is one of the most important factor for smooth functioning and running of the activities of plant. So you need to consider about availability of finance also. Then you need to consider about competition between states. So in order to attract investment at large scale, industries are in various states offer subsidies and certain other benefits, so you need to consider that benefits also. uh, and next important factor is availability of facilities. So availability of facilities like schools, hospitals for the employees around your organization. So if these facilities are there, that means you can have availability of labors itself. Then the last secondary factor is disposal of waste. So disposal of waste is a major problem, and government is also taking very serious considerations regarding this problem. So industries such as chemical industries, sugar industries, leather industries, so they need to consider about, and they need to plan before locating the plant, that how they will going to dispose their wastage. So these are the factors which need to be considered while deciding about location of your plant. So this is all about factors affecting location of plant. That is it for the day. Thank you.